Indonesia officially purchased the 42 fighter jets with a transaction value of $8.1 billion. The Indonesian purchase is included in a series of Rafale sales to various countries. This is also the best year for Dassault Aviation to sell weapons abroad. According to many sources, initially, the Rafale was a fighter jet that was not sold abroad at all. However, since it has been selling well in various countries, such as Qatar, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates and Indonesia, this fighter jet has been selling well. The 20-year-old Rafale suddenly became so popular that it helped France become third among the world's arms trade tycoons. The site says the Rafale fighter jet was the key to helping France rise in the global arms trade market to compete with America's new generation jets. The Rafale is an omni-role fighter jet designed for combat and bombing missions and can take off from land and aircraft carriers. The Rafale's success began on the same day that U.S. officials announced that Indonesia would consider purchasing U.S.-made F-15 fighter jets. Indonesia also reported that it had signed a contract to buy Rafales from France. In just a short time, the Rafale was highly appreciated for its ability to carry large numbers of weapons. This then allowed him to accept new contract purchases and benefits from sharp increases in military spending in Europe and Asia. This was influenced by the Qatar sanctions imposed by the US, which had an impact on military aircraft exports from Russia. Russia is the world's second-largest arms exporter, but the war in Ukraine has changed that as Moscow's share of the global arms trade declines. The prestige of the Rafale significantly improves France's position in the international arms trade. In fact, over the past 2 years, Rafale sales have outpaced all other Western fighter jets except the American F-35, which is produced by Lockheed Martin. The F-35 is widely known as the most technologically advanced and best-selling fighter jet since its launch in 2011. At that time, the Rafale was still a slow-selling aircraft and had not received orders outside France for years, said Sash Chooser, an aerospace and defense analyst at research firm Agency Partners LLP. This is when the Rafale became the most successful fighter aircraft in terms of exports, but still lost to the F-35 in sales. Sales of the French jet have skyrocketed compared with Sweden's Typhoon and Gripen aircraft produced by the Saab Group in collaboration with many countries.